So it's the Honorable Empress Zion and the Honorable Empress Surrey Fraser and the Honorable Prince Zion in nature, and we chilling and we, spending some time connecting with ourselves. Zion, you want to say anything?
Yeah!
Say something. What is it that you want to say? Oh boy, you're having fun, eh? Yeah, so we just out in nature, and we just, here I come in, Empress Fraser, just, connecting, with ourselves, to ourselves, yeah, giving thanks, I want to say, it's very important. Yes, sweetie, yes, Zion. Oh gosh, okay, sweetheart, yes. So Zion is, distracting me, telling me he's sitting in the water. Okay, sweetie, you can go ahead and have your sat, okay? Whilst I say something, to connect our neurons, whilst we're in nature. Ooh, Zion is having fun. Yeah, I think it's very important that we remember, very important that the DNA carries information. Very important that we remember that, and very important that we also remember we are the ones creating ourselves, what's within us, what's out of us. So we have to be very careful with our thoughts, in how we are shaping and forming our thoughts, which shapes and form us as individuals, so just let's remember that, and always remember to bring yourself to a high frequency. It's very important that we bring ourselves to a high frequency, and don't allow yourself to be kept in a low frequency. So coming to nature is one of the ways that we can actually raise our frequency. Very important, coming in nature, just connecting with, the earth, the ocean, the sun, all the different elements, giving thanks, giving thanks to, yes, sweetheart, yes, I can see you in the water. Be careful, please. Thank you. Yeah, so, it's all about all the elements, I want to say, coming together, yeah, and we utilizing, those elements within the time, that it's, because it's like the planets, it's like they are feeding, and when they come within a particular part of the solar system, let's say, it comes in that house to feed. So whatever that house is giving off at that time, thank you, sweetie, yes, whatever that house is, whatever energy that house is giving off at that time, we're talking about the zodiac sign, you would be receiving that particular energy, very important, very important. It's all about the zodiac, our astrology, knowing ourselves, on a high, deeper science, connecting ourselves, we have all these natural resources around us, and we don't know what it is for, we don't utilize it for our own selves, to develop ourselves, to transform ourselves. So it's very important that we understand the different elements, and when to utilize them, and how to recognize the time when to utilize them. Very important. Yeah, very important. So I want to say, I'm giving thanks today in nature with the Honorable, Prince Zion. He's having his fun. you know, but
Mommy, I can go there. The boat?
no, you cannot go there
Why?
because you'll need a boat to get you across there, sweetheart. Wouldn't you? You're trembling? Eh?
Go in the water.
I thought you enjoying the water as I am enjoying it. Anyways, you know, it's always good to come in nature and make the necessary connections, you know, with self, you know, first and foremost. Raising your vibration, you know, that's what it's about, you know. Bringing yourself to your highest self, you know, connecting with everything,
Mommy,
you know.
let me watch you. I want to play
Sorry,
you.
yeah, connecting with everything in and out of you. Yeah. Connecting with everything in and out of you.
I want to play with my truck.
Okay.
He likes to play.
Yeah, so no, it's all about coming in nature at times and just connecting, you know, with ourselves, to ourselves. Yeah, that's what it's about. Be careful, Zion. Okay, the sea look a bit rough now, ain't it? Yeah? To me?
Mommy,
Yeah.
somebody's floating.
Yeah, they're floating. They're passing. Yeah, so it's always, you know, important for us to bring ourselves in nature and make the necessary connections to ourselves and how we connect with, you know, the things out of us, the things within us, you know, our organs, how they are connected out of us as they are connected within us. There's just so much to learn, boy. I myself can't put it all together, you know. I am working on me. I must say I'm working on me in terms of putting it together, in terms of us recognizing,
Come here.
teaching each other, you know, so we can all recognize and make the necessary changes that is needed in this time. You
Mommy,
know?
they're floating.
Yeah.
I want to float just like that when I grow.
Okay, my boy. Well, you need to start practicing if you want to float like that. But I won't advise you to practice with me, eh?
You're going to put me on your back and you'll float.
No, somebody, maybe your dad, your father will teach you. Yeah?
But you can put me on your back and float.
Okay, maybe we'll try it, okay?
We can try it today.
Not today.
Please.
Not today, sweetheart. Okay?
No.
We have to leave just now anyways. Yeah, so
Please, that's all it's
Today-
about, Mommy.
today is all about coming in nature and, you know, connecting, you know, with my higher self. Just relaxing. Not really planning to do anything much. Just relaxing, you know, enjoying nature, releasing and receiving, you know, positive energy, you know, yeah, to the planet and to myself, you know, giving thanks for the sun, giving thanks for, you know, the water, giving thanks for the rocks, you know, everything which connects us, you know. Yeah, so there's a lot for us to discuss when we're in nature. Yeah. Anyways, it's me, Honorable Empress Fraser, and I'm chilling in nature, you know. You're not care about Anyways, Zion had a little fall, so let me go and see about Zion. Seriously, Zion. Anyways, bye for now. Yes, sweetheart, you can take something.
Cake or chicken?
Take what you want.